The movement against corruption has been going on in the leadership of Anna Hazare for the last 2 years. Thousands and lakhs of people came on the streets. After all, what were we asking for? We were asking for a strong anti-corruption law. A law which ensures that if anyone indulges in corruption in this country, he should go to jail, his property should be confiscated, and he should be thrown out of the job. But the government did not agree. For 2 years, we kept on pleading before the government. We requested them. 3 times Annaji sat on Anshan. The government did not agree. Finally, we realized that the government and these parties will never agree because most of these leaders from most of these parties had indulged in corruption. So it dawned on us that till such time as the politics of this country is cleansed, no change can happen in this country. That is why we had to jump in politics. We are not netas. We don't know their dirty games. But we realized that now with the kind of politics that we have in our country, there is only one person who can save this country from complete disaster, and that is Aam Aadmi. So friends, now we have formed this political party, Aam Aadmi Party. This party is basically an expression of the anger and the aspirations of the millions in this country. You have to join because today we hardly have a choice. On one hand, we have all these political leaders, all these political parties. On the other hand is the rest of the country. Many of these people are saying, how will you fight elections? Where will the money come from? The money will come from you. If you think that BJP can give you good governance, BJP can get you rid of corruption, please go out and vote for BJP. If you think that Congress can get you rid of corruption, please go out and vote for Congress. But if you think that both these parties are basically two sides of the same coin, then please join Aam Aadmi Party. Please join this movement. This is not a party, it is a revolution. Please join this revolution. It is for me, it is for you, it is for the future of your kids. We will fight elections on the basis of your donations. You have to contribute. Friends, when these parties get donations from these big corrupt corporates like Ambani's, etc., and when these parties win, Ambani goes back to these parties and asks them for quid pro quo. He asks them for oil fields, he asks them for gas fields, he asks them for various contracts. And these parties are obliged to him because they have taken donations from us. But when we will take donations from you, then you will come back to us and you will ask us that, look, I gave you donation before elections. So we have to work for the Aam Aadmi. Our loyalty will be to you. Their loyalty is to Ambani's. That is the difference. And that is the reason that we have decided that we will raise most of our funds, almost all the funds from Aam Aadmi. So please donate. Please take part in this revolution. How can you donate? You can go to our website, aamadmiparty.org, and you can, if you have in credit card or debit card or internet payment internet banking facility, then you can directly donate from our website. But if you don't have those facilities, then you can send a check or a demand draft at this address. You can note down this address. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.